So here I'm going to show you how to recreate your images using your Gemini AI. Now with these particular features, you can recreate any of your image. It will look like a studio image. In case you are thinking of going back to your studio, with this particular feature, with just simple prompts that I'm going to use, I'll be able to recreate your image. I'll be able to recreate image that we can use for a purpose that you want to use it for. So let's go. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and recreate the image. The first thing we need to do here is to click on this image that you're seeing here. Click on the image and it's going to open up. Now we have different kinds of, now these are a style of image that Gemini gave to us. Okay, you can actually use any of this style if you want your image to look like this. So I'll just go ahead and use this moody. Let me use this moody. I click on it, then I'm come to this plus sign. Click on this plus sign. Click on photo. You're going to take me to my photo, so I'm going to make use of this photo. I'll click on the photo. So once the photo is loaded, now I'm going to give it a prompt. I'm going to say recreate the second image. All right, like the moody one. All right. So I'm trying to tell Gemini AI to recreate the second image. It should look like this moody one, but this moody one, I think there's nobody in that image. I think somebody is sitting down there. But now I wanted to use that background, and this guy should be sitting down because I think somebody is sitting down on that image. All right. I will not tell that it should be very neat and attractive. All right, so don't forget that if the prompt doesn't work, you can always reprompt it. You can always reprompt it to what you want. So let's try and I'm going to submit this. All right, so I'm going to submit this and wait for it to create. Let's see what it's going to create. So just wait for it to load. It's currently loading. It's all right. Okay, I think it did well. Right, let me add. So I want it to be sitting down. It should be sitting down. All right, I say he should be. All right, so this prompt I'm adding is actually going to reprompt that particular image. Let me see what's going to happen with this new prompt I gave to it. Let's see if they'll be able to make the image sit down. All right, it's already creating. Let's see what's sit it down. Okay. Okay, let me just reprompt it. Make select the image to be in full. Okay, make it to be in full. Let me all right, make it to be in full image format. So let's see whether they understand this prompt I just gave now because the prompt sounds very confusing. So I hope Gemini will be able to see us through. Let's see what's going to happen. Now, just in case that the prompt did not work well, like the output is not okay by you, you can actually reprompt Gemini and then it's going to give you the accurate result that you're looking for. If it's not accurate, you'll keep okay. All right, so this is exactly what I wanted. All right, you can see this is exactly what I wanted. Now, the one if you sit it down, so you can take your picture. So recently, you don't really, if you want your picture to be different, you just want to do anything with your picture. Nowadays, you cannot even differentiate the difference between AI image and the real image, studio image, because it's just your real studio image that you are seeing here. The difference is just the environment. So you can actually prompt your image, all right? In case you want to use your image for anything, you can actually use Gemini AI. So in order of my class, I'm going to be showing you how to use other apps that are also good, that can give you the same result or even better result than Gemini AI.